How's it going, everyone? I just wanted to make a quick video following up on that level 2 trading in Robinhood. Today, we can actually do some live examples because I don't have to work today and the market is live. So I thought it'd be a good chance to do some live examples. I had some comments on the last video kind of asking for this. So yeah, I just thought I would do a little demonstration here. So here we have NAKD. This was just on my watch list for today. It started up 10% in the morning. So and there's some news kind of going around it. So either way, kind of good to just check out the monthly chart, weekly chart. Um, I mean, the whole market's been going down the last month, but kind of seeing a reversal with this stock. In April 27th, it got all the way up to 75 cents. Got back down to 60 cents, but we're seeing kind of a jump and some volatility right now. So we'll head into level two by clicking this expand thing. And so here we can see, so it's hanging at 70 cents. We've got some pretty big sell walls right here, 64,000 and 50,000 at 71 cents. Not a ton of buy orders. There's this little wall at 70 cents. But right now where it's at, I wouldn't buy right now. You can just see these sell walls. Um, you know, Odds are once the price hits these, it's going to kind of bounce back a little bit. So um, I would just kind of keep watching this stock where it is because there's these sell walls, and so it wouldn't really make sense to buy right now. Because as you can see right there, right here, it's trying to break through this 71-cent wall, and it just bounced off of it once when I was talking right there. It's coming up on it again. So now you can see it's kind of eating through it, 71 cents. It just broke through that little wall. So momentum's going up, but now it's coming up on this 71-cent wall. That one's going to be a bit harder to get through. So it's down to 65, 60. You can see it getting eaten away, 30, 13, 10. So we're breaking through this wall as well. 5, you can see it going away and going up again. So continuing that upward momentum. Now this third wall, 71 cents. So, and we're breaking through that as well. So, it's, a lot of times it's just good to watch. Like, we have this momentum, but sometimes, when you get this swing of momentum breaking through a couple walls, a lot of people, once that happens, they're like, okay, I'm going to sell out now. So eventually this is going to lose steam. It hit 72 cents, breaking through there, 72 cents. So I would, especially for beginner traders, so now there's this giant wall of 377,000. Another thing is kind of getting familiar with the volumes. Like when I just jumped into this, there were those 50,000 sell walls. Maybe if I watch this for a while, maybe 50,000 isn't that big of a wall. You kind of have to get familiar with the volumes that affect a stock's price. But yeah, as I was saying, just for beginners, it's good to just watch the stock. Like maybe just don't even plan on trading anything for the day or for your first week or something, and just kind of watch how these tickers move. So we're coming up on this big 300,000, and that just got eaten up as well. So this has some pretty good upwards momentum. It's Once it's going up this much though, it's always kind of a risk buying and knowing if it's gonna lose its steam right away. I'm more of a fan of when a stock is going back down, finding a bunch of support orders on the green side, and then kind of joining in and putting an order there. When a stock is just kind of breaking through walls left and right, like this one is right now, it's hard to know when it's gonna run out of steam and kind of fall back down. I mean, an insane amount of volume just came through over on this. I don't know if you can see this far right candle, but it was 18 mil shares, but yeah, now Twitter's going off like crazy. um, so yeah, now we have just this wide spread. Like there's no huge bars, on the top or the bottom. So that's another kind of sign to just, pause and wait. Like there's really nothing indicating if you should buy or sell yet. We're coming up on this 74 cent wall right here. But yeah, I mean, the main thing kind of that I just wanted to show you live is like for all those walls, you could see the bar kind of getting eaten away. You could see the numbers going down. Here we can see some more support orders coming in, kind of pushing it up, and then we'll see what happens when it gets to the 74 cent wall. So a lot of it, like if you watch videos of other traders, a lot of trading is just watching. Like you don't want to just jump in and buy and then, I mean, it's not a bunch of buying and selling and buying and selling. It's like watching and watching and waiting for just the right timing and a good indicator. So yeah, this is a good, I mean, 40,000 shares at 73 cents, but now it's kind of going back down. You can see it's losing steam. Like I said, when it runs up, breaks through a bunch of walls, like eventually it's gonna kind of lose momentum and start falling back down. But that's when now we want to watch for support to kind of collect, and that's when we would want to buy in, kind of join in. And like if you keep scrolling down, there's not many clear signs. I mean, this is like super volatile. Just really spread out support. I'll check a different stock, see if we can find a more like this is super volatile, but see if we can find a better example. So this one is just a lot lower volume, LMFA. So this will be a good example of showing you like how you can set your entry and exit points and stuff. So here we can see this stock is LMFA. So it's got some good support bars at 111, 110, 108, kind of in this range. There's also some sell walls at 116 and 119. And so if we wanted to buy, if we thought this was trending up, if we take a look at the chart, like this is, I don't know, if for whatever reason, news or whatever, we're feeling this is going up, we'd basically want to set our buy at 112, 111, just somewhere where it, these are going to start going through, just to make sure we get our order in. Then if we were going to sell, you would want to put your sell order maybe at 115, right before the price might bounce off of this 116. This one isn't moving too much though, so I'll check one more. So here we have AMD. There's obviously going to be a ton of volume with this one, so you can actually see it moving around. So let's see. So this morning it ran up. So you can do the line. Yeah, it ran up to 83.26. Kind of dipped back down to 82.80. Now it's kind of heading back up. So you can see pretty light bars on the green side though, pushing it up, and a decent amount of sell orders. So it's gonna have some resistance going up for sure. You can see AMD is just so high volume though. This might not be ideal for day trading. It's just based off of level 2 alone, because like you can see, all these bars, there isn't a super clear like gathering of support orders. Like you kind of want to find just a low float, like kind of low volume stock where you can join in with like a big order that comes in. Like this is going to be pretty messy, and it's going to be hard to tell where the stock is trending just based on reading this. Like every once in a while, like I can see, it's, I don't know, it looks like there's like it's lighter on the buy side and it's starting to go down. Like you can kind of see that, but it's going to be refreshing so fast. Like it's going to be hard to react off of these orders. So yeah. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any more questions. Hopefully this was helpful again, just kind of how to read it real time, just watching the bars move, watching the sell walls getting broken, kind of finding support orders on the bottom, joining in with those, swim with the fishes, as they like to say. Yeah, let me know if you guys have any other video requests or any other questions and comments. I'd love to keep helping you out. So thanks for watching.